Traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, August 26th, and I'm going to be analyzing the US dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on the dollar monthly, I'm definitely still looking at this as a 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 of wave C. I believe that we are in an expanding flat right now. I think this is 3 waves of A. I think this is 3 waves of B, and I think we are now going up for 5 waves of wave C. So let's head down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, that would make this right here wave 1. That would make this a big ABC of 2. I think this is a 1 of 3. I think this is 3 waves down for a 2 of 3. I think that we are now in a wave 3 of 3, which will definitely have pullbacks on sort of time frames, but on these higher time frames, it should continue to make higher highs and higher lows. So taking it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, we just recently broke the previous high on the daily. Sometimes that does cause a pullback, but I definitely wouldn't rely on it, and I definitely wouldn't be trying to fight this trend. I've really been trying to emphasize lately the importance of trading with the trend because I realize that most of these dollar pairs are in a wave 3. Wave 3s are supposed to be the biggest, strongest wave of a trend, which is why I'm really trying to emphasize that you should be trading with the trend and looking for longs for the continuation of the uptrend. So going down to the 4 hour time frame, we did break down a little bit on the euro dollar, but I definitely wouldn't say that that means that there's a big move to the downside coming. We have a couple Fibonacci extension levels that it still hasn't grabbed, so I still would expect to see another push up, probably grab those Fib levels before we'd see too much of a significant push to the downside. Going down to the 1 hour time frame, I got my Fibonacci retracement on the last push up on the 1 hour. I'm looking for 1, 2, 3 waves down. I'm looking for Fibonacci bounces. I'm looking for nice engulfing moves to the upside. The trend is up on basically every single higher time frame, so on these shorter time frames, I definitely am going to be looking for 1, 2, 3 waves, just like all these ones in the past. 1, 2, 3 waves down, go long. 1, 2, 3 waves down, go long. 1, 2, 3 waves down, go long. So I'm looking for 3 waves down. I'm looking for a Fibonacci bounce, a nice engulfing move to the upside for another entry to go long for the continuation of the uptrend. Like I said, this is a wave 3 on basically all the dollar pairs, and you definitely don't want to fight this wave 3. Trading with the trend when the higher time phases in a wave 3 is pretty much a must. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. It's linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.